You ready for this?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Here we go. Kind of scary.
Here we go.
So now I guess the idea here is to
Not die?
not die and not look down at the massive chasm below. Whoa. Okay.
Walk very close to the tree.
I know, right? Stay the hell away from the cliff.
Oh wow. It only records like 30 seconds?
Oh wait, is your phone not rooted? Dude, I could probably root your phone on top of this mountain. No joke.
And this is a really beautiful view that is probably not visible in the low resolution of my camera.
I think this is 720p recording.
I forget what that lady had, but